This is the 1050 lumen 6-pack of LED RGB recessed lights here to be able to place in a game room, to have in your hallway, to have up high in your ceiling, or in your studio. What's great here is this is a 6-pack here that's all gonna be able to connect seamlessly with any of your home devices like Google, Alexa, or even Apple. And this is gonna last over 50,000 hours. What's great here is this can sync with your music. It's got group control and shared devices. The app that you connect to will allow you to be able to voice control, choose up to 16 million colors, create a scene, set a schedule, and even sync with your music. They draw equal to 110 watts, IC rated, damp rated, and the CRI is 80 plus. In the box, this is what you're getting yourself into. You got your manual and also all of the necessary components to be able to install it. On the bottom here, you've got your boxes here to seamlessly install it here into your light bulb, which is easy. It's a one connector piece. And the recessed lights here have all the characteristics that you need here to be able to mount it seamlessly into your sockets. Please consult an electrician here, but what's nice here is it comes with all of the plugs here to be able to seamlessly just plug into an already installed box with little hassle. I'm here on location here. I've got a little socket to be able to place my recessed lighting in here. I am not an electrician, so please consult a professional electrician here when it comes to installing this, but they make it really easy with the electric box to place the wiring right into the connector. With that said, once you've connected it here, you can now go ahead and fit it into the box. What's cool here is it just has these springing fasteners to be able to just place it right into your socket, into the recessed lighting hole, so you don't have to necessarily buy one of those old school pots and place those in there. You just have to connect the box. With that said here, I'm gonna go ahead and just place it in here. Simply push the cord inside, put the grooves facing out, and then you can just slide it right in and it fits really nicely right into that recessed lighting hole. Let's go ahead now and turn it on. I opted into the more tungsten light. Alrighty, now that it's turned on here, we're gonna go ahead and download the app. You're gonna go to Smart Life-Smart Living. There's a QR code on the box. Once you've gone through the account creation process here, you're gonna go ahead and add a device. It discovered the device here. What's cool here is you're gonna be able to do all 6 of them at the same time if you want. I'm only doing 1 at this point. You're gonna select your Wi-Fi here, and then it's gonna go ahead and download and add the app here and configure it. Now what's great here now, you have full functionality here to be able to change it to a very cool light, which is a little bit too cool here. We're gonna kind of find that perfect tone that matches the environment here, and I think we're at about that right here. You can go ahead and dim it if you want. This whole light is really low, so having it really dim while my employees are here is a good idea. What's cool here is you can change the ring light, which is all the way around it. You can decide if you want to have it really, really light. If you want to have it really dark, you can change it to orange. You can change it to green. You can turn off the light here and just get the ambient light if you just wanted to have, green as its fill here, which is actually not a bad idea. Maybe I'll have it blue here during that time, and you can configure it completely here with their security as well. So if you want to have at night just the ambient light here without the over the head light, you can have that as well. Alrighty, what's awesome about this as well is it has functionality with Google Home. So we're gonna go ahead and connect our Smart Life app here to Google Home. We're gonna hit add, we're gonna hit works with Google, and we're gonna search Smart Life. There it is, Smart Life. You had to kind of search through it. We're gonna go ahead and connect our app. We're gonna select the light. Now from here, what we can do is we can call Google, hey Google, turn off office light. Incredible. With that said, I think you've got yourself a really cool option here to be able to modernize your home if that's something you're interested in, with a 6-pack recessed lighting that has LED around the rim, as well as a really nice cool to warm light here for the recessed lighting.